Day after Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia chaired a meeting over the dengue spike in the national capital, Mirror Now's Alok spoke to the director of LNJP Hospital, who said the situation has now been brought under control. Authorities have acted promptly. Doctor said that the hospital has set up separate clinics for critical patients as well.
What is the situation right now in your hospital as far as, in fact, the national capital is concerned, what the people should take the precautionary measures, and how do you see the situation is panning out in the coming days?
Right now we have 30 patients admitted as on today. We had 44 patients, 14 patients discharged last day, and most of these patients are recovering well, but the number of dengue patients, we have seen that surge in last 2 weeks, and we see large number of patients in the OPD as well who come with the fever, and we are having a separate fever clinic for such cases. We are testing for platelets and for dengue serology, and we have seen that the number in the OPD is also around 90 to 100, and half of them, sometimes 30% of them turn out to be the dengue fever cases, but they are mild. In the OPD, they are the mild cases. They don't require hospitalization, but those who are referred to us from smaller hospital, whose platelet count is less than 30,000, 20,000, they are being admitted. Few of these patients have some bleeding manifestation also, and 2-3 children are also sick, but the situation in the Lok Nayak is under control.
And are the patients from the NCR also coming to your?
Definitely. Around 17 to 25 patients per day we receive from the entire NCR region, from the Ghaziabad, Noida, Gurgaon.
Alok is joining us for more details here. Alok, what can you tell us about the situation at this point in time? We of course heard the doctor there say that it is so slowly coming under control here. But if you can take us through, any other details at this point in time.
Well, Avni, the situation is still grim in the national capital as far as dengue is concerned. Remember, last year only 1 death was reported, but this year 6 deaths have been reported. And the situation, in fact, gone bad as compared to 4 years, because in 2016 10 deaths were reported, and subsequently in the next year also in 2017 10 deaths were reported. So after 2017, this kind of situation is now evolving in the national capital. As far as the whole situation is concerned, all the hospital, whether it's MCD running hospital or the Delhi government run hospital, lot of dengue patients are still coming. In fact, we just got the report on an average in one of the MCD's hospital, which is Swami Dayanand Hospital, 300 patients are coming daily on an average, which are complaining of fever. And out of those 300 patients, around 70 to 80% of patients are turned out to be dengue patient. So this kind of situation is still there. What the experts and doctors are saying, in the coming 1 week or 2 weeks, the situation remain like this. But after that, because of the climatic condition, definitely because it is a vector-borne disease, so the larva which is now happening, and the situation and the environment will be in that situation, that the dengue situation will come under control. Back to you.
All right, Alok, thank you so much for joining us with those details.